And Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat has now downplayed CDS statement on losses. Gajendra Shekhawat has said that war is not a matter of counting losses. In fact, he has also said that war is judged by the circumstances. And he added that India made Pakistan bow down. Remember, CDS had stated that there were losses in initial stages, after which the opposition mounted its attack, saying that the government misled the nation. After which Gajendra Shekhawat has now jumped in the controversy, stating that war is not a matter of counting losses. Let's listen in.
युद्ध जो है अपना नुकसान गिनने का विषय नहीं होता। युद्ध इस बात से युद्ध का आकलन होता है कि सामने वाले पक्ष ने किस तरह से किस परिस्थिति में आकर के झुक करके आपके सामने समझौता किया है। पाकिस्तान को बिना किसी शर्त के घुटने टिका करके 4 दिन में केवल हमने समझौता करने के लिए, सीज फायर करने के लिए, अनुग्रह करने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया।
And my colleague Shivani Sharma is now joining us on the story. Shivani, after the opposition mounted its attack post CDS Chauhan's remark on the losses, Gajendra Shekhawat has now downplayed CDS's remarks, stating that war is not a matter of counting losses.
Anjali, exactly what the Union Minister has said, that it's not about counting the losses, but it's about what situation that operation brought the enemy in. And what we know is that during the 4 days of Operation Sindoor, Pakistan had heavy losses on its side. Its air bases were catered, its military installations were destroyed, and that's how it wanted ceasefire. So that's what is being again said by the Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat. He said that after the CDS remarks, there were a lot of questions, Anjali, to which he has now made clarifications that it's not important about counting the losses, but the situation in which we remained victorious and Pakistan had to bow down.
Absolutely. Shivani, thank you so much for getting us those details and for that context.